Hola amigos, en la lección anterior utilizamos los adjetivos calificativos para describir la apariencia física de los animales.
Is this the animal?
No, this is a squirrel. It is small and brown. It has a long fluffy tail, big cheeks, and small pointed ears.
What about this one?
No, this is a kangaroo. It is big and strong. It has big brown eyes, long legs, and very big feet.
What about this one?
No, this is a dog. It has short black hair, a long tail, big brown eyes, and long legs.
What about this one?
That's it! It has a long nose, short legs, a long tail, small black eyes, and long pointed ears. And it's also brown and very ugly.
It's an armadillo.
¿Lo recordaron? Ahora pasemos a la lección de hoy.
Today will be an awesome day. Experiences you won't forget. You're here to learn different things, many ways you've never seen. Different stuff, much more fun. Everybody will have a good time. Knowledge is what you need. If a champ you wanna be, what can be better than this? 'Cause what you need, we gotta hear now. Everybody now sing with me. Take my hand and follow me. 'Cause you are about to see all the things you need to succeed.
Unit 1, Lesson 20. What animals do you like? Describirán un animal de su interés tomando como ejemplo los artículos propuestos.
Hola amigos, en esta lección hablaremos acerca de los animales que nos pueden fascinar. A mí me encantan los animales y me gusta leer revistas que hablan sobre ellos. Esta revista tiene un artículo que habla sobre los lobos. Wolves are wild animals. They have gray fur and long legs. They hunt other animals. The unique trait of the wolves is their intelligence and their social behavior. Wolves are highly social animals, and they live in family groups called packs. ¿Lo vieron? Los lobos son animales muy interesantes. Comencemos con la lección de hoy.
Yes, that's a very good idea. I'm sure she will love it.
Let's start right away.
I'll go and get the decorations. That will be amazing.
Hey guys, what are you doing?
We're planning Cristal's birthday party at La Covacha.
That's wonderful.
Yes, we have a big surprise waiting for her.
Really? What is it? Cristal loves surprises.
We're giving her a pet.
Really? A pet? That's wonderful. What kind of pet?
That's the best part. We're letting her choose whatever she wants.
Yes, we know she loves animals, and she looks after them very well. So we decided we would take her to the pet store and let her choose a pet for herself.
That's a great idea.
And in the meantime, Miguel and Jimena will decorate the cultural center. That way, when we get back, she will have another surprise.
Great! I want to help too.
Excellent! You can pick up the cake while Jimena and Miguel work on the decorations.
Yes, I'll do that. I'll go right away.
Great! That way, we'll save time. Oh, and remember, chocolate is her favorite dessert.
Yeah, I'll remember that.
Good! Cristal will be here any minute now.
Yes, she's already late.
Yeah, I wonder where she is.
Hey guys!
Hey, Cristal! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Cristal!
Thank you guys! You remembered!
Of course we did!
And we have something special for you.
For me?
Yes, we're going out for a ride in the car.
A ride in the car? Where?
It's a surprise!
I'll get my keys.
They're on the desk.
Okay, let's go.
All right.
This is wonderful! Where are we? And what is that smell? Ew!
Oh, you'll find out soon enough.
Can I open my eyes? Please?
Yes, I think you can.
A pet store? But why are we here?
We know that you love animals, and we thought you'd love to have a pet for your birthday.
Really? Can I have a pet just for me?
Yes. What animals do you like?
I like rabbits, cats, ducks, birds. I love all animals.
And what would you like to have?
Well, I'm not sure. It's difficult to choose.
Why don't you ask the store owner to tell you about some of the animals?
He'll be able to tell you about the animals you're most interested in.
That's an excellent idea.
Go ahead and ask. I'll wait outside for Jimena. She went to the market.
Okay. Hello.
Oh, hi, young lady. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for a good pet.
Well, we have many animals here. We have cats and dogs, snakes, scorpions, tarantulas, lizards, river turtles, tropical fish, birds.
River turtles and tropical fish. I'm interested in those. Can you tell me more about them?
Sure, I'll show you some pamphlets. Here is one of the river turtles.
Wonderful! River turtles are reptiles. They eat plants, and they have a hard shell called carapace. They don't have teeth. Instead, they have a sharp beak similar to a bird's. There are river turtles in a great variety of shapes and sizes. There are more than 100 species of river turtles. Most live in tropical zones. River turtles need fresh water to live in. In the wild, they live in ponds, lakes, and rivers. Wow! The river turtle is really cool! I want a river turtle!
Wait, before you decide, here is some information about the betta fish.
The betta fish is a colorful tropical freshwater animal. Betta fish have long tails and are from Asia, but they can be found in aquariums all over the world. The betta fish is very shy. They live in caves amongst the plants. They are carnivores. Most bettas can live 2 or 3 years. Wow! That was very informative. Thank you.
You're welcome. Remember, pets need a lot of attention. Before you get one, learn all about it.
What happened? Did you find something interesting?
Yes, I read some information about the river turtles.
Really? Tell me about river turtles.
What do you want to know?
What kind of animal is a river turtle?
River turtles are reptiles.
What do they eat?
They are herbivores. They eat plants.
Where do they live?
They live in fresh water.
What is the turtle's main physical characteristics?
The turtle's body has a shell called a carapace.
That's very good. Cristal, you know all about river turtles. But what other animals did you learn about?
Betta fish are colorful, tropical, freshwater animals.
What is its main physical characteristics?
They have long tails.
What do they eat?
They are carnivores.
How long do they live?
They live from 2 to 3 years.
That's really interesting.
Have you decided what pet you want?
Yes, I think I'll take the turtle.
Wonderful. I'll pick a really nice one out for you.
Thank you.
Here it is.
Amazing! I'm the luckiest person.
I'll pay for that.
Excellent. Here's your change.
Thank you. Let's go, Cristal. Antonia is waiting for us outside.
Yes, let's go.
Wait a second. She's taking the wrong box.
Surprise!
A party too! This is the best birthday ever!
I'll go get some snacks. Geronimo, can you give me a hand?
Sure.
Happy birthday! Do you like your new pet?
What did you get?
A turtle! Do you want to see it? Sure. Show it to us. Okay. His name is Speedy. That isn't a turtle. It's a huge spider.
Hola amigos, ¿les gustó la lección? El día de hoy hablamos acerca de algunos animales que nos interesan basándonos en algún texto. Aquí hay un ejemplo. What happened? Did you find something interesting?
Yes, I read some information about the river turtles.
Really? Tell me about river turtles.
What do you want to know?
What kind of animal is a river turtle?
River turtles are reptiles.
What do they eat?
They are herbivores. They eat plants.
Where do they live?
They live in fresh water.
What is the turtle's main physical characteristics?
The turtle's body has a shell called a carapace.
¿Lo vieron? Con lo que leyó Cristal en los folletos, esta pudo hablar con Jerónimo acerca de los animales que le interesaban. Ahora les toca practicar a ustedes. Intenten redactar un artículo usando la información de los animales que vimos hoy y revísenlo con su maestro en clase. Esto fue todo por esta lección. Nos vemos en la siguiente.